Welcome to Tiny Bathroom.
Small.
It's a very small space, not working out for me. I need a new one.
So we're going to show you how to design for a small space, what to look out for.
And you get some great tips for your own reno.
So if you ever lived with tiny bathrooms, you will know the pain of tiny little spaces.
Biggest thing is use of space. And when designing and when working with a smaller floor plan or a smaller footprint, you want to maximise your zones and your spaces. So in terms of style, it's a small space. But I don't have a lot of natural light. I think I'll just keep it quiet, monochromatic. But maybe greys, whites, and that'll be it. There's nothing too full on because I just don't want it to be busy. Because I've got a small space and we're not going to fit a big bath in there, I'm going to have to compromise. So I've found a nice little tub.
So you go with, for depth, you've got a real deep bath, don't you?
Yeah.
So Shannon chose a frameless shower screen, which is quite nice.
Yeah, it doesn't divide the space visually, it sort of keeps everything open.
What storage do you have?
We'll go with plenty of storage in Vanity,
Yeah.
and we'll go for a nib wall where I can put all the shampoos, conditioners, blah, blah, on.
Yeah.
It is a tiny bathroom, I don't want to clutter the space. Towel rails take a lot of space. Think of other options, like vertical towel rails are cool, or even just towel hooks. With a small space, it's sort of a floating vanity, it gives the impression of you've got more room than you actually have.
When designing a small room, you need to consider the floor plan because this is the best way to optimise the space.
And try not to break it up visually, and you want to keep colours and tones light and fresh.
Light and bright like this?
Dude, Wooden nailed it. It's good.